Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the Simulink, and this is the basic of the Simulink only. Like we click the Simulink, create model, then we will go to the library. Once we go to the library will come here. Then specialized power system, this block is there. Let me show you. Let us click here, this is Simscape. So we will go to the Simscape. Inside the Simscape there is a electrical, utility, so all these things are there. So specialized power system, click on the specialized power system. There we will get this continuous block. So we have to bring this continuous block here. So double clicking this block, we can use simulation a continuous or a discrete type. So depending on, let us take a discrete type first and save this. Save as, let us say, demo. So once we put the continuous, so we can do the FFT analysis and other things. Next, what we are going to do, let us take it very simple. We will choose the source, AC voltage source, right? And also we will take a load, passive load. Usually the RLC, the passive load, we bring it here, control R. So we can double click here and we can set the series load. So instead of using the series load, if I will take the series branch, it will be quite better. Let us take the series branch and let us take only R load with 10 ohms. And this voltage source of 100 volt and 50 hertz. And let us take some signal sensors or measurement, like current measurement. We would like to measure the current, and also let us take the voltage measurement. So here we have the voltage measurement. And now I take this output over here. It's not, now it is connected like this. And now we have connected a voltage source with a current ammeter, and a voltmeter is connected. So then we will go for a scope. That will be better if we will have a scope. So scope will be available in the sync. Sync is here, like in the Simulink commonly used block, sync is there. So inside this link we can have a display, not display, we'll take a scope. So now if I double click on the scope, I'm getting this box. Here in this box I can have this configuration parameter scope. Here in the layout I can change the layout to, okay, in this way, layout to layouts, and I want the input, two number of input from there. So apply, okay. So now I can see there are two inputs will be available. So in this input connect the ammeter, another input connect the voltmeter. And now this is a simulation time. Because we are using 50 hertz, so why to go for up to 10 seconds. Stop time at 0.1 second and let us simulate. The voltage and current will be very simple, sinusoidal, and the current will also be sinusoidal. So let us see this. So we get here voltage and current is sinusoidal. So what else we can do here is we can take this, we can zoom in the horizontally. So we can zoom here from this. We can zoom only up to 2 pi, 4 pi, that is 0 to 0.2 seconds. And okay, let us again go back. Now we can right click over here. We can also go to that configuration parameter, and there we can do lot of things like time, and display setting is there. In the display setting, now I am active in the first window. So title is like, this is the current this is the limit of axis, apply. So I can see there is a current on the top. So if I have the bottom, so current is all this one. So again we can go to the configuration parameter. So active display 1, we can go for active display 2. So we are in the active display 2. So here this is the voltage waveform. So we can write voltage and apply. And also we can set the limit. Now we have got above is the current and the voltage. So we can simultaneously zoom it, horizontal zoom. So we can show it in a zoom like two waveforms. This is up to first waveform at 0 to 0.02, 50 Hertz, that is 20 milliseconds. Another cycle is up to 0.02 plus, that is 0.04. So two waveforms we can see, the current and voltage waveform. So this is a small video on how to plot the graph. Thank you.